Alden in charge of the 18 sa post ng View Philippines. A special Love Surigao thank you is on the way when Love Surigao hits number 1 on View. Exclusive signed Polaroids and from the cast will be up from GOG. And stay tuned. Yan ang may abangan. Yan, number 1 sa Love Surigao. Saka interview kay Alden. Yan pa si Andrea Torres at si Alden.
Gumawa ng isang proyekto na hindi ka komportable sa mga katrabaho mo, and for some reason iba-ibang flavor yung nabibigay ng mga actors na kasama ko dito, yung mga medical jargons, yung mga practices. Syempre kailangan we have to make it seem like talagang alam na alam ko yung ginagawa ko as a doctor and as a surgeon. We're trying to ground the medical aspect and the medical world sa mga manonood natin para at least mabigyan natin sila ng insight at nang sa ganun mas maintindihan din nila kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyayaring drama at action with inside the hospital to really showcase the beauty of the island and the beauty of what we have here in the Philippines. Yung deeper meaning of finding where home is. I think yun yung pwedeng masagot. Kailangan mo bang hanapin or parang i-pursue yung love kahit hindi na siya para sa'yo. One of the legacies, of course, of our King of Comedy na si Tito Dolphy. So this is for him. And of course, parang maibigay din natin yung tribute sa mga manonood natin.
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.